Hi, this is Dawn and Randy from Randy, Dawn, and a Marathon Coach. And we're here in Eugene, Oregon at the Mothership where they create the beautiful marathon coaches.
Yeah, and the cool thing is we got to meet all the people here. We got to meet the people who run the office, and also we got to be in the production area and meet all the wonderful people who create these wonderful coaches. And we got to get some training done also and learn how all the systems work. And so today we just want to show you a little bit of what goes on here. So let's go through this door and see what goes on.
Well, here we are down on the production floor at Marathon Coach.
Yeah, and it's been really exciting to see all the different departments that contribute to what goes into these coaches, from electrical to the wood shop and all the other ones. So let's go take a look at what goes on this floor. So here we have the electrical department. You can see how detailed all of this is. All the panels they build and all the wiring that they do here. Just what goes above the TV is an incredible amount of stuff. So you have the electrical department here, and as we move down the floor, here's where all the appliances are assembled, the washer, the dryers, microwaves, and all of that. And then as we come up here, and all these coaches kind of stay in the same spot as they're being built, and then the different departments just come in and do their jobs. Here it looks like we're coming on to more of the mechanical side of it, where some of the fabrication takes place. This looks like a slide for one of the TVs. So this is just another department. And then over here you can see they actually take the slides out of the coach and put them down and build them, and then they lift them back up so they have easy access into the coaches.
It just amazes me at the wires that go into a marathon coach. They have them all laid out, they're all color coded, they're all labeled, they go into the racks, from there they go into the walls of the coach and wire everything up neat and tidy.
Yeah, it's amazing how they pre-harness everything and then they just pick it up, carry it in the coach and put it in. So it's pretty amazing. All right, well that's just a really small tour of what goes on here at Marathon. There's so many other areas that go on, the cabinet department, the paint, everything else. And if you're ever in the area, every day they give a free tour. So I'd really suggest if you're in the area, stop by, get a tour of the plant, and you'll really see and appreciate what goes on here at Marathon.
And from here you can find us up in Petoskey, Michigan, Traverse City area. We'll be up there most of the summer. We'd love to see you if you want to swing in. Beautiful parks up there. There's nothing like Northern Michigan.
Yeah, Northern Michigan is one of my favorite places to be. I've been going up there for a lot of years with the coaches. I'm going up to Hearthside Grove and Traverse City. It's almost like a hidden paradise up there. If you've never been up there, we really encourage you to go up there. There's so much to do. If you're coming up to Hearthside, we have a big event going on
in June
up there. Marathon's putting up an event.
Watch the website.
Yeah, watch the website. And if you can make it up there, I think there's still a few lots left.
Yeah. Be sure to follow our journey on Randy, Dawn, and a Marathon Coach. We'll keep you updated on wherever we travel, whoever we meet, and all the parks that we get to explore.
Yeah, it's going to be great fun. It's going to be a great summer, so make sure you follow us.